Meet John. John works a full-time job in marketing. He isn't a coder. He doesn't speak Python or JavaScript. But John has an idea. He wants to build his first AI agent using NAN, a visual tool that lets him connect the dots without writing code. First, he creates a new workflow and adds a new AI agent. He chooses a free OpenAI model, selects simple memory to keep a record of his chats, and boom, the AI agent is ready to go. He opens the chat window to test his new agent. He types, "Hi chat." The agent replies, "Hello, how can I assist you today?" So John asks the real question, "Can you please get Toronto's weather for me?" But then, the disappointment. The AI replies, "I don't have real-time data access, so I can't provide the current weather for Toronto. You can check a weather app on your phone." John realizes that an AI without tools is just a text generator. It's locked in a room. It's telling him to check his phone instead of doing the work for him. To fix this, John could do it the hard way. He could go find a weather API by scouring API marketplaces. He would have to register, hand over his credit card, and pay a monthly subscription just to run a few tests. Some of them have free tiers, but they mainly push you towards subscriptions. And for every new API, he might need to do the same thing in different marketplaces. John isn't technical. He doesn't want to manage server keys or read complex documentation. He just wants his agent to work. But there is an alternative for him, the Agnic Pay wallet. This enables his agent to discover premium APIs and tools, and allows the agent to purchase services for as little as 1 cent. He can just try it out. No need to manage API keys or read complex docs. Enter Agnic Pay. Think of this as a passport and a wallet for John's AI. Watch how simple this is. John logs in with his email. No passwords to remember, just a secure code. He goes to the dashboard. He doesn't need to understand crypto or complex banking. He just clicks connectors. He clicks Create Connector and names it My First N8N Agent. The system hands him a single key. This isn't just a password. It's a prepaid debit card for his robot. It allows his agent to discover tools and pay for them automatically, penny by penny, using the X402 standard. John copies the key. Back in N8N, John drags in a specific node, the MCP client. He connects it to his AI agent. He opens the settings. In the authentication field, he pastes the key he just created. Then, he enters the Agnic Pay MCP address, and he is done. Here is the revolutionary part. John doesn't need to tell the agent which weather service to use. He doesn't need to configure endpoints. By connecting Agnic Pay, he is giving his agent permission to go out into the marketplace, find the right tool, and pay for it instantly. The setup is finished. Let's try that chat again. John says, "Hi chat." The agent welcomes him back. John asks again, "Can you please get Toronto's weather for me?" This time, there is no apology. The agent wakes up. It reaches out to the Agnic network, finds a weather tool, and pays a fraction of a cent. It replies instantly. The current weather in Toronto, Canada, is partly cloudy with a temperature of 6 degrees. Real data, delivered instantly. John gets curious. He wants to know how his agent paid for this. He types, "Can you show me my wallet balance?" The agent checks its own bank account and replies, "Your wallet balances are as follows. Base Sepolia network, 9.98 USDC. The agent actually holds money. John pushes it further. He wants to know what else this agent can do. He asks, "What other APIs are available?" The agent scans the network and lists them out. Tech news feed, job search, stock price, exchange rate master. It has automatically discovered an entire menu of tools it can use, all payable with that same wallet. John didn't write a single line of code. He didn't sign a contract. But is it safe? John checks his dashboard. He looks at the transaction log. He sees exactly what happened. Tool used, weather service, cost, 0.2 of a penny. He realizes he didn't have to pay a subscription. He only paid for exactly what he used. He has full control. If he wants to stop the agent, he just revokes the key. John has a full-time job, but now he has an army of digital employees working for him, paying their own way, efficiently and securely. You don't need to be a technical wizard to build the future. You just need to give your ideas a way to pay. Agnic Pay. Unchain your agents. Start building today.